At first glance, there aren't many similarities between dentists and astronauts, paramedics and paint sprayers, bridge of a supertanker or flight deck of an airliner and these people. That group at a seminar or this person. The common thread is, of course, that the success of these and of virtually every other human endeavour relies on by which we teach specific skills, or, alternatively, by which we achieve a state of physical efficiency through instruction, practice or exercise. Years of personal education and training and the application of that learning as individual skills, or, put bluntly, each person doing their job properly and to the highest possible people to be competent and to perform their jobs well. And the first task of training is to ensure that this is achieved in the most cost-effective way. Tangible results must be the criteria by which we judge any training. To achieve better safety performance, better utilization of resources such as plant and equipment, and the most effective use of materials. But that's not all. The well-being of the organization benefits as much from the intangibles of training. For example, through increased staff confidence, versatility. The flexibility brought about by skill development must be based on clear and specific objectives, on a training program undertaken effectively, with full evaluation of the results, and the recognition that training will benefit both the individuals concerned and the organization. In addition, driven by the demands of regulatory authorities pursuing health and safety legislation, or industry-specific compliance to manufacturing codes. Perhaps it's the need to adopt formal quality systems, or complex and specialized technologies. There's the pressure of competition, local, national and international, not to mention basic occupational timescales, resources, expectations, departmental involvement and any constraints which may apply. At this point in the project, a detailed investigation may be carried out to clarify the cause or causes of problems and agree possible solutions, leading to a clearly defined plan as to what specific training will be employed. Let's examine how an audit system works and can be tailored to suit individual processes, relevant to both manufacturing and service activities. We'll assume that there are 4 components or elements applied to the skill rating for most processes, starting with element A, a knowledge of the standard operating procedures, or SOPs for short. If the course is to last a full week, to the trainees it will be experienced hour by hour and day by day, which is the key to a well-designed program. In other words, it should be prepared on the same basis, in bite-sized amounts. The program should show the subject your own training checklist, just to ensure that you don't forget something vital. Must be prepared and tested to ensure that they can be undertaken as you intend. Must be organized either from internal resources or hired from a reliable external source. The course must be advised well in advance of when it will be, what it will contain, where it will be, what's expected of them, and any preparations they should make. Make certain that it's structured coherently and that you've mastered the use of the different training aids. Meet your audience at the door and carry out the presentation. You don't need good luck, because the care you've taken to research, prepare and rehearse it means that you're confident in your ability to communicate.